We all know that cold is a great way to soothe achy joints and muscles, control inflammation, treat common sports injuries, aid in recovery from surgery, and ease the pain and swelling of arthritis. But who hasn't experienced the uncomfortable pain of ice packs? The pulling on and off, the constant adjusting, the never quite right. There is a better way. It's cooling, not freezing yourself into a block of ice, that helps with healing. Freezing damages the delicate internal structures of cells, sometimes even leading to frostbite. We need to use cold wisely. So the Ubertherm team applied the scientific principle of thermal conduction to protect you from the harsh effects of ice while retaining the soothing, healing goodness of cold. Ubertherm's super soft ice pillow alternates conducting and insulating materials, maintaining a constant cold temperature, like no other product on the market. And because it's made of the highest quality materials, it's so supportive and luxurious, you won't want to take it off. No more ice-burned skin, no more fussing and adjusting, and no more frozen muscles. Just perfect cold, safer, gentler, and more effectively than ever. Insist on Ubertherm cold compression and experience for yourself the healing power of gradual, no-sting, long-lasting, ultra-comfortable deep cold compression. Ubertherm. Love plus science for your health and well-being.